PP Gemstone Mining Company has accused prominent business figure Patrice Motsepe of leveraging political connections to undermine their operations within the mining sector in Kuruman. The allegations arises in the context of ongoing legal dispute over mining rights, wherein PP Gemstone contends that Assmang Mining Company, owned by Motsepe, has engaged in the unauthorized extraction of minerals at sites designated for their use.
Kusinda kwehlela kubaphathi benkampani PP Gemstones ababhekane nengwadla yokungakwazi ukuvukuza endaweni yaseKhurumani esifundazweni saseNorthern Cape, lokhu-ke kulandela isandla semfene.
PP Gemstones also further went to try to coexist. We engaged Assmang on a number of occasions to want to coexist by coexist in the same mining operations where they are conducting manganese. And surely the attitude and the response that we've received from Assmang was a very badly response, and it's of a concern as young business entrepreneurs in South Africa who are trying to make a living in South Africa and trying to venture into this particular minority clustered industry, which is mining industry. And we find ourselves, having to fight with or involved into a legal dispute.
Kusenjalo le nkampani ithi isizame konke okusemandleni ukukhulumisana nezikhulu zenkampani okusolakala ukuba ivukuza endaweni yabo ngokungemthetho, kodwa kuba izinhlanga zimuka nomoya.
There's a lady going around trying to, the chief director, trying to come up with stories so that they can manipulate us. Then during the week, the RM was called to the head office by the DG. Also, we thought that they are calling him to come and solve this issue. But actually, Jacob Umbele was just calling him to further on and instruct him to frustrate these things. We know what they're doing, these guys, and we've been told that they want to make sure that this matter doesn't get resolved until the permit expires.
PP Gemstones isola isikhulu Patrice Motsepe ngokusebenzisa amandla akhe ukucindezela osomabhizinisi abasafufusa kulomkhakha, njengoba bethi banobufakazi obunzulu ukweseka lokhu. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu.